Hi guys, you often ask me in your comments, are there any good foods to improve erection? The answer is yes. There are many great foods and there are certain types of seeds that can help you as well. So in this video, I will tell you about these 4 types of seeds that have scientific evidence of their efficacy and how to use them correctly to improve your erection. And at the end of the video, I will share the homemade recipe, easy recipe, with these seeds that will give you an amazing results. Okay, what are these seeds? The first of the seeds is extremely rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats. These fats can help to improve the blood flow of your body. A good blood flow is important for stronger erection because erections depends on the blood flow into the penis. Besides that, it also contains lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant property. Antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damages, also essential for sexual health. This is flax seeds. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 that is contained in flax seeds improves the blood vessels function in people with heart disease. And as I said, better blood vessels function means better blood flow, which is essential for stronger erection. If you eat flax seeds whole, make sure to chew them well or grind them before eating, as a whole seed may pass through your digestive system without being fully digested. Besides eating them raw, you can use the flaxseed oil for your salad dressing or add it to the smoothies. It's all beneficial. The recommended dose of flaxseed is about 1 to 2 teaspoons or about 10 to 20 grams per day. This amount provides a good dose of omega-3 fatty acids. It is important to start with a small amount and gradually increase it to avoid digestive issues. And now we're going to a second seed. Those seeds are rich with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps to improve the blood flow. Vitamin E helps to keep your blood vessels healthy and flexible, allowing your blood flow more easily. This is beneficial for maintaining an erection longer time. Multiple publication studies found that vitamin E that is contained in those seeds improve the function of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of the blood vessels. Better endothelial tissue, better endothelial function means better flow, blood flow, which supports erection. And they are sunflower seeds. Now, it is important to mention that roasted seeds don't have the same amount of vitamin E as raw seeds. You can add sunflower seeds to salads, you can add to yogurt, oatmeal, whatever you like. A good daily dose of sunflower seeds is about 1 to 2 ounces, which is about 28 to 56 grams or so. This amount provides a healthy dose of vitamin E and other nutrients as well. It's a very simple way to boost your intake of these important vitamins. And now we're going to a third type of seeds, which contains very important nutrients like lignans and phytosterols. Those compounds help to manage cholesterol level and improve the blood flow, which are important for stronger erection. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that the phytosterols lower your LDL levels, which are bad cholesterol. We know that bad cholesterol clogs our arteries and prevents the blood from reaching the penis, which causes our erection to decline and erectile dysfunction. That's why reducing bad cholesterol is extremely essential and important. These beneficial seeds are sesame seeds. You can eat the seeds in various ways. Consume it raw. You can sprinkle raw seeds on a salad, yogurt, oatmeal. You can buy tahini paste, which is grounded sesame seeds, often used in hummus or as a spread. You can also use sesame seed oil. A good daily dose of sesame seed is about 1 to 2 tablespoons, about 10 to 20 grams. Now, last but not least, probably one of the most beneficial seeds, they contain all of B vitamins, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, copper, calcium, selenium, iron, sodium, potassium, vitamin K, P, E. I know, a lot. Well, combination of all these vitamins, well known to reduce the risk of cancer, strengthening the cardiovascular system, it normalizes digestion, helps to cope with stress, improve brain function. They increase the erection, stimulates the insulin production. They also normalize the function of the prostate. It prevents actually thickening of the prostate secretions, eliminates cholesterol plaques, it reduces the risk of gallbladder stones, improves the nerve transmission, which means better control of the erection as well as ejaculation. It also helps to restore liver function and stomach lining function, helps the muscles to recover faster, and protects cells from the harmful effects of free radicals that can cause potentially cancer. And these miracle seeds are pumpkin seeds. Now, how do we consume them correctly? If you used to eat them roasted, which many people do, you should know that they don't work the same way. They give the most benefits only when they consume raw or properly dried. The daily normal dose is average 30 to 50 pumpkin seeds per day. Another important reason why you should not buy roasted pumpkin seeds, or at least roast them yourself, is because the fat that they contain become toxic when it's overheated. And now, as I promised, a homemade recipe to get the most benefit from all the seeds for your sexual health. Mix all the seeds together in about half a glass. Of course, blend it in a blender into the powder. Take a good quality honey and mix it together with the blended seeds. Squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Pour the whole mixture in the ice cube tray about 2 to 3 centimeters in size and consume 1 ice cube every day for 1.5 to 2 months. It's the best to consume before lunch. This home recipe can help you if you have early stages of erectile dysfunction. But if you already have serious problems and don't know how to help yourself, sign up for a free consultation in my clinic in New York City using this link below. I will find the best treatment for your individual situation. Best of luck.